Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Tabassum Dalla, Director of Jubesta Hospital, Obstetrician and Gynecologist. Obstetrics is an unpredictable branch. Still, you and me have chosen it because we have passion. Passion to serve and passion to save lives. Life of two. The life of a mother and a life of a baby. It's an obstetrician's nightmare to face a situation of sudden obstetric collapse. But like a commander on the battlefield, we need to be thoroughly prepared and thoroughly drilled. Sudden obstetric collapse is a rare but a life-threatening complication, and it has got wide variety etiology. The purpose of this webinar is we find out the women at risk and find the various causes of sudden obstetric collapse so that we act promptly, because a prompt and effective resuscitation is the key to improve the maternal and fetal outcome. I thank Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President of FOGSI, who gave me this opportunity to connect with this digital initiative program. I also thank Lupin and DocMode to support this initiative. Thank you very much. This program is going to be telecasted on 24th July 2020. So please join. Thank you very much.